Hi guys, today I'll show you on how to use Apowersoft PDF Converter on Android. Simply install the app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app. First, we have Convert PDF by Batch. As an example, I will convert PDF to JPG. Simply tap the PDF to JPG button, then hit Choose File to select PDF files that you will convert from your device. If in case you want to convert files from your internal storage, simply click the folder icon and choose files that you want to convert. Once added, tap the Convert button and wait until it's done. Once the files are converted successfully, tap the View Document button. Next, Merge PDF. Tap the Merge PDF button to start. Next, hit Choose File button and select PDF files you wish to merge from your Android. After that, hit Convert and wait for the process to be completed. Lastly, we have View All Converted Files. Simply hit your account then Local Files button. After that, all the converted files will be shown. And that is how to use Apowersoft PDF Converter on Android. Thanks for watching!